Šodien ir pirmā diena kā bezdarbniekam. Un kā man Aivars bērnībā iemācīja, kad es viņam teicu, kad es biju nogurs skaldīt malku. Viņš teica, ej atpūties, padarīja kādu citu darbiņu. Nu, tad tā arī sāksim bezdarbnieku periodu strādājot. Šodienas braucamais. Šodien izvēlēsimies Chevy. Klūt parādīšu, kāpēc. Skloķītis. Un tik garu mēs tagad varam vest. Tā ir mašīna. Nu, ko braucam?
What did you buy it?
Huh?
For what did you buy it?
I don't know.
Huh? You don't know for what
It's
you
a-
bought it?
It's like a big American car.
Yeah, but what did you know? Like how much money? Like what did it cost when you bought it?
4K.
4K? What are you trying to sell it for?
6, but I put in like 2-3 extra in it already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like the transmission,
Yeah.
registration, all the like maintenance parts.
Yeah.
I also have these bits coming from Kenya right now because they have some bubbles, so those need to be switched up.
Yeah.
There's a bit of electrical work that needs to be done. Besides that, it's like all nice. Nice. I mean, it's a nice big car. But
Yeah.
šodien ir pirmais darbiņš. Uztaisīt trepas, kuras jau ir uztaisītas. You have more of these logs? Not logs, but planks. We can make them double wide,
Yeah.
same as there. We just instead of using these,
Yeah.
we can just put them like basically just this one
Well,
on.
I have more of this also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and you put it like here, so the step can go like
Oh,
further,
double that, you mean?
Yeah.
Like that.
like that. You know?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, could also.
Because it's not like a big deal, unless. Nākamais darbiņš. Pārkrāsot sienas. Sākam ar špaktelīti. Būs daudz ko špaktelēt. Nu tā, pirmā bezdarbnieku darba diena. Sataisījām trēpes. Nu kā sataisījām? Sagatavojām, tagad tikai jāsaskrūvē. Vēl vajadzēja nokrāsot viņas. Sākām viesunamā atjaunot sienas, sagatavot pārkrāsošanai. Pārvēdām visādus dēļus. Tagad jābrauc mājās čilot.